Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today we will discuss about shell. What is shell we have already discussed, but how do I know what is my current shell? For that you can echo $shell in bash, or you can do echo $0. This will show you current shell, and or you can do ps-p $. This will also give the output. And there's one more way you can do print f. So these are the things will telling you the current shell. So my current shell is bash, but how many cells are available to my system? For that, cat/etc cells. Okay, I mean sh bash no login. If I assign no login, user will not able to log in. Then bash no login. Okay, so how to change a current cell? But before that, what's the cell assigned to a user? Like user is getting created and it is having an entry in password file. So grep Amit in /etc passwd. So Amit user is having pin bash. Let's see. Okay, and echo $0 bash. I will log out. I will become root again, and I will change the shell. So we will assign sh user mode user modify -s for shell. What's the shell? /bin sh, and the username is Amit. Okay, we'll check grep. Okay, see, earlier it was bin bash, now it's bin sh. We'll switch to Amit user and we'll see. You're able to see. And for more confirmation, echo $0 is sh. So this how you can check what is your current shell, what are the cell available to your system, and you can change the shell to any of the user. I will roll back the things. In bash Amit user and grep. So I hope you understand this thing, how to check your current shell, what are the cell available to your system, and how to change the current shell of any user, and what's the current shell of any user using a passwd file. Hope you like this video. Keep learning. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.